Hello again, everybody. This is Mark at Harley Racing, Riding, and Repair, and I'd like to do a video here on my Harley Davidson Sportster Drag Bike. This could be one of the last videos that I do on this bike because I'm considering letting it go here today. Someone's coming over to take a look at it, and I'm going to let a couple Harleys go today. I build, ride, collect, love motorcycles, and this one has been a great project for me. I built this, it's a 1275 Hammer top end, dark horse bottom end drag bike. It's got 125 horsepower, really cool bike. It took second place in AMRA Super Street class in 2017. Took second national plate winner. But I have a variety of other bikes, and I don't know, it's time for me to move on or to try something else. I just picked up, I'll show you, this 2014 KTM Super Duke that comes with a stated 190 horse at the back wheel. This one has the Barker pipe and the ECM on it, so it's probably got 190 horse. So there's so many other bikes nowadays that can be easily acquire a lot of horsepower. Like that KTM has like 60 more horsepower than this drag bike. But also I have a couple other Harleys here, my 90-inch Sportster that might be going today, and my Sport Glide, and I have another storage area where I have 5 other bikes out there, so you'll be getting more videos from me. Just they may be a little different. We'll have to wait and see. But let me go around on this bike and just give you a quick update on it. It's kind of hard to give you a quick one because there's so much, but I built that swing arm. It's a 10-over swing arm. I took 3 Sportster swing arms, cut them up. I needed the third one because it wasn't enough to give me 10-inch length. So we put all sorts of bars on the inside, drilled it out, and welded it, and did a lot of work to get that 10-over swing arm. But it's solid as a rock and really nice. And we tried to make it so it wasn't too heavy. Put all sorts of piping on the inside of it so it would be, and it ended up really great. And I put a battery box in there, and it's got a lithium-ion. I think it's a earth battery. Lithium-ion works great. The charging system's currently out of this bike, but has Cycle Shack 2-inch pipes on it. They're hard to come by, but they work really well if you want a horsepower pipe. That's the one, but you can't get them anymore, so good luck trying to find them. Got a Sumac fiberglass rear fender on it. I got Akron rims that I laced with, I used the 1999 and prior rims that took Timken bearings, and I put ceramic coated Timken bearings in those hubs, the Akron wheels. It's a Harley front end that I completely shortened. It was really quite a job to get that front end down that short, because the bike, I wanted it as low to the ground as possible. They say that every inch that you drop a bike, a drag bike at the strip, it might be good for 1/10 of a second. So anyways, the Super Street class ran without wheelie bars, and I tried all sorts of rear shocks on that bike, and these FX shocks worked the best. Kept me down without wheeling the best. So had a lot of trouble with wheeling, no wheelie bar class, and man, really went through 3 or 4 shocks on the bike, and those ended up being the ones. So this bike has a S&SD carburetor with 3 Thunder Jets. I don't know if you can see them there. Let me see, I'll put on my light. Yeah, and the top end motor is the Dan Norland's 1275 hammer kit. Has only 600 lift cams in it because Dan changed the angle of the valves, and when he does that you can't put any bigger than 600 lift or the valves will hit each other. So, but that different angle allows as much or more air than a higher lift cam, so that's nice because it doesn't beat the hell out of the or beat the crap out of the valve train.